Hello guys, my name is Gia from Gia Tech School. In this video, I'm going to talk about variable in batch scripting. Variable is nothing but it is a container which contains a certain value for processing. For example, in other words, it is a bucket which contains some value. We can use that value throughout our program. If we make any changes on the top, it will be edited all over the places. For example, there's a variable I have put some value in it. I can use this variable throughout my program. So if I want to make any changes to this variable, the changes will be applied all over the places where I have used this variable. So now we're going to dive into some coding part. Like I said before, we have come to write batch scripting. So before we dive into real world problem, real world automating problems such as writing script to automate some process on computer, I need to teach you some basic concepts such as variable, for loop, if condition, and decision making, and so on and so forth. So we're going to learn all of them in this video. We're going to learn all of them in upcoming videos, and in this video is all about variables. Okay, first I need to select the language. I have select batch programming. In order to set variable in batch scripting, I can use the set keyword. For example, set, and the next is the name of the variable. I'm gonna put my name, so I'm gonna assign my name GR. So next, in order to print it, I can type my name to the screen. So in order to print them, you have to use this 2% mark. So whenever you use this variable, you should use this 2% mark, otherwise it's never gonna work. So next keyword you need to type is pause. Why do I use this? I will explain why when I execute this program. Okay, so now I'm gonna save this program, my simple program .bat. I can also save it as CMD, so this time I want to save it as CMD. Okay, now when I open it, it's gonna print out GL is mean my name. So it asks me plus any key to continue. This is what the pause command do. If we don't have this pause command, what will happen? It will quickly open and close the window. We can't see the output. So therefore, in order to see that, we need to stop the window. Therefore, we have used pause. So variable, like I said before, variable, it's a container, and we can print over here, and so on and so forth. If you change this, I'm going to run it, we can see that it will print GL. So in order to delete this, you can use, you can see it shows that C user tech school. In order to hide those things, you can use another command called echo off. So now if you execute the program, you won't have this part. The program will run at once. You can see that the program runs cleaner. So if you don't use this keyword, what will happen? Your output will be messy like this. Okay, and your output will be messy. What will happen? It's going to print out your path also. In order to avoid that, you can simply type echo off. We're gonna off every echo. Now your program looks much cleaner, and you can see I have played GL 3 times. So if you make the change here, so I'm gonna make it to GL version 2. What's gonna happen? If I run this program, so I run this program, it's going to change everywhere. So it is the power of variable. If you place the value in one place, you can use them all over the places. There's another variable that you can use inside batch script, that is called numerical value. If you want to assign numerical value, you should use this A, and the name of the value is, I'm going to put num1. I'm going to assign 35. Okay, I'm going to assign 55 and set num-A. I'm going to assign num2 certain values such as 44 or so on and so forth. So if I want to print them, I can simply type echo and % mark. Don't forget that if you don't put it, it's never gonna print out the value. And we can use this for many things. So we have learned in this video. Now you can see the number is number is printing. So in this video we have learned how to set variables in bash script and how to set numerical value. So this is the numerical variable. If you put a, that means you're going to assign some numerical value. In upcoming videos we're going to learn how to do some arithmetic operations, such as adding these two numbers together and subtracting and multiplication and division and so on and so forth. So stay tuned to watch the next video, and the next video is about arithmetic operation in bash scripting. Thank you for watching this video.